In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable participant screen sharing in Zoom on your Windows device with ease. Whether you're hosting a meeting for work, school, or any other purpose, knowing how to enable screen sharing can be incredibly beneficial. We'll explore two different approaches to allow participant screen sharing, one for during an active meeting and another that changes the default settings for all your future meetings. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how you can enable screen sharing during a meeting for a quick and temporary fix. Start by joining or hosting your Zoom meeting. Once you're in the session, look at the Zoom control panel at the bottom of the screen and find the Share Screen button. You'll notice a little arrow pointing upwards located right next to it. Click on that. This arrow opens up a sub-menu containing various options related to screen sharing. Here, select Advanced Sharing Options. This is where you dictate who has the ability to share their screen. Under the section titled Who Can Share, you should select All Participants. This will allow everyone in the meeting to share their screens. For an additional layer of control, you might want to choose how many participants can share at the same time or decide who can interrupt another's screen share. Once you're satisfied with your selections, simply close the window and voila! Participants will have the privilege to share their screens during this meeting. For peace of mind, you can double-check by clicking on the security icon, ensuring that the Share Screen option is checked. Now, let's move on to making this a default setting that applies to all your future meetings. This step requires a bit more preparation, but is worth it for ongoing convenience. Start by opening your favorite web browser and logging into the Zoom web portal. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the Settings tab. Here, you'll want to navigate through to Meeting Settings, and then further into In Meeting, Basic. This area contains various options, so scroll until you find the section dedicated to screen sharing. Once there, you need to set Who Can Share to all participants, granting screen sharing permissions to everyone for all future meetings by default. If you want to make this setting permanent and ensure it's enforced for every single call, you also have the option to click the lock icon. This locks the setting, making it mandatory across your account without needing to adjust it every time you schedule a new meeting. And there you have it. Two straightforward methods to enable participant screen sharing on Zoom. Whether you're looking to make a one-time adjustment during a meeting or setting it up for all your future calls, these instructions will get you there smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.